Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture of tokens in Python. Python breaks each statement into a sequence of components known as tokens. So a statement is segmented into various components. The components are known as tokens. Each token corresponds to a substring of a Python statements. So what are Python tokens? Keywords, identifiers, operators, delimiters, and literals are known as Python tokens. We are going to discuss these components one by one. First, literal. Literal is a number or a string or characters that appear directly in a Python program. It's a number, string, or characters that appear directly in a Python program. So normally your 78 is an integer. This is known as a integer literal. 21.34 floating point literal. Q is a character literal. Hi is the string literal. Also contains other literals like list, tuple, and dictionary. So these literals will be discussed in forthcoming video lectures. Next, values and type on literals. Values can be any form like literals which contain number, character, or strings. A type is a kind of data you are working with, a definition or classification of a data. So when we pass a particular data inside the type function, then the class of the data will be displayed. That means the data type of the given value will be displayed. So we will demonstrate it. Here I am printing type of a single character. So the class is a string. The class is a string. It's a single character or a string or a set of characters will be come under the class of a string. Print 12. Type of 12. So now the second one is integer. Data type is an integer. Print type of 12.34. Now the third one is a class float. Print type of hello. Now the class is a string. So in this way, when we pass a particular value inside the type, then it will display the appropriate data type of the given value. Next we are going to discuss about the keywords. They are the reserved words with the fixed meaning. They cannot be used as identifiers or variables. In Python, we are having 33 reserved words. So these are the reserved words given here. False is a Boolean value. False is a Boolean value. True is a Boolean value. If you take a if, is a if statement. Then else, if and else if. So they are the conditional statements. Del used to delete a particular value in a given list, tuple, or a string. Def. So this is keyword used to represent the function header. Likewise, we are having 33 keywords. The 33 keywords are having a fixed meaning. For example, the in is a membership checking operator. Or is the logical or and or the logical operator. If you have pass is a placeholder. You want to keep a method or a body of the if statement or a while loop empty, you have to put a pass placeholder. So in this manner, we are having a 33 keywords. The 33 keywords are having a fixed meaning. We cannot use it as a reserve word. These known as a keywords in Python. Next, operator. The major classification of the operators are given here. The operators are used to perform operations on variables or values. Variables and values. Operators are arithmetic operator. Addition is plus, subtraction is minus, multiplication is star, slash is a normal division, double slash is an integer division. That means after the division it will eradicate the fraction part. And it's a modulo operator. Percentage is a modulo operator. Double star is a exponential operator. So relational operator, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, then less than or equal to, greater than or equal to are the relational operator. Logical operator and not or are the logical operator. Bitwise operator, bitwise and bitwise are XR, complement operator, left shift, right shift are the bitwise operator. So these are all the operators in Python. Delimiters. So the delimiters are the symbol that perform a special role in Python, like grouping, punctuation, and assignment. So for this purpose, the symbols used for grouping, punctuation, and assignment are known as a delimiters. Python uses the following symbols and combinations as delimiters. This is open and close parenthesis, open and close square bracket, open and close curly bracket, comma, colon, full stop, equal to semicolon. Then assignment operator, minus equal to, star equal to, slash equal to, double slash equal to, modulo equal to, double star equal to, then logical, logical and equal to, logical or equal to, logical XR equal to, right shift equal to, left shift equal to. So these are all known as a delimiters. Next, identifiers and giving a naming. Identifiers are variables. So what is an identifier? Is a name used to find a variable, function, class, other objects like tuple, list are known as a set, and dictionary are known as a identifier. It is a name, the way to identify. For example, the human are identified by their name. A variable, function, a class, a tuple, or list also identify by their name. So naming is known as an identifier. All identifier must obey the following rules. So we are having a set of rules. All identifier must obey the following rules. Identifier is a sequence of characters that consist of letters, digits, and underscore. The sequence of characters that contain letters, digits, and underscore. Identifier can be any length. There is no restriction. We can give any length. Identifier name can have any length, any number of the combination of letters, digit, and underscore of any length. It starts with a letter which can be either lowercase or an uppercase. Identifier can start with a letter. Identifier can start with the underscore also. So we are able to start the identifier with the letter and underscore. Identifier cannot be start with a digit. Identifier cannot start with a digit. Identifier cannot be a keyword. So we discussed there are 33 keywords. The keywords cannot be used as an identifier. That means the name for a function, variable, class, tuple, list, set, or a dictionary. We cannot use the special symbols like exclamation, at symbol, hash, dollar, and percentage in the identifier name in identifier. So for example, here the roll underscore number is a valid identifier. Underscore is used. It is a underscore is allowed. A1. Okay, a letter followed by a number. Underscore add. Identifier can start with the underscore or a letter. So it is also valid one. Next, invalid identifier. First name. The space is given. So space should not be given. So this is why this is an invalid identifier. 12 name. So identifier start with a digit. It is not allowed. It is wrong. Salad. We are having a special symbol. That's why if you are giving a name like this, the Python interpreter will show an error. So these are all the invalid identifiers. Some example for the invalid identifiers. Fine. So in this video lecture, we have discussed about the tokens of the Python. So we discussed about keywords, identifier of variable, operators, delimiters, and literals. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share and comment. Thank you.